हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू बिफोर एग्जाम। तो आज आम देखा जीके कंप्लीट जीके टीसीएस कंडक्ट करथिबा जति एग्जाम होईची एसएससी रेलवे तार जीके क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करबा। तो याको पार्ट पार्ट आम डिस्कशन करबा। फर्स्ट ज्योग्राफी हिस्ट्री, तापर ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमिक्स, साइंस, तापर ओडिशा जीके जति जहा अछि, तापर मिसलेनियस रो किछि क्वेश्चन आम पार्ट पार्ट क्वेश्चन करिकि ताको सारिबा। ठीक अछि। तो आज पार्ट रे आम डिस्कशन करबा हिस्ट्री पाखापाखि 400 क्वेश्चन अछि। तो कौन प्रकार डिस्कशन ना क्वेश्चन पढ़ आंसर देख, क्वेश्चन पढ़ आंसर देख, एभली करके आम केमती कम टाइम रे अधिका क्वेश्चन सारिबा हला। जेहेतु एग्जाम पाखे आसलानी कम टाइम रे केमती अधिका क्वेश्चन सारिबा ताको आम फोकस कराई। ठीक अछि। तो जो माने चैनल नुआ अछि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और वीडियो टी फास्ट लास्ट पर्यंत देखो। और जो माने कंप्यूटर देखिनो जाई कंप्यूटर भी देखि दियो। ठीक अछि। तो स्टार्ट करिबा। With the commencement of 7th century, who ascends the throne of Taneshwar and Konauj? Taneshwar and Konauj की ascend करथिले? हर्षवर्धन। आ गोटे क्वेश्चन पचारुछि ह्वेनसांग का टाइम रे आस्थिले? हर्षवर्धन। Tulsidas, a poet who lived during the medieval time Indian history, who wrote रामचरितमानस। एटा भी क्वेश्चन पचारुछि रामचरितमानस के लिखिथिले? तुलसीदास। को लैंग्वेज रे लिखिथिले? अवधी। Which act, also called East India Company Act 1784, was passed by the British Parliament to correct the defect of the Regulating Act 1773? 1773 पर को एक्ट आस्थिला? पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट। एटा मन रख, पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट केते? 1784। ताको कोन कहउछि? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एक्ट। In the battle of Amroha 1305, your मन रख 1305, the Delhi Sultan won a victory over Mughal army. Chandragupta I was succeeded by his son. तो चंद्रगुप्त वन कर पुओ के थिले? समुद्रगुप्त। याको आउ कोन कहउछि? नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया। नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया के समुद्रगुप्त। In battle of Khatoli 1517, राणा सांगा ऑफ मेवार डिफीटेड सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली। को दिल्ली सुल्तान को से डिफीट करथिले? इब्राहिम लोधी। Which British retired civil service officer took the initiative to convene the first meeting of Indian National Union? First meeting of Indian National Union किए करथिला? A.O. Hume, Alan Octavian Hume. Name the Adli Shahi general who was killed by Shivaji and his soldier. They are meeting at the foot of Pratapgarh. शिवाजी एंड हिज सोल्जर काकू किल करथिले? अफजल खान। भगत सिंह वाज हैंग्ड फॉर व्हिच रिवोल्यूशनरी एक्ट? भगत सिंह को कोन पय हैंग कराइथिला? केबे हैंग कराइथिला? 1931 मसिया रे। फॉर थ्रो ए बॉम्ब इन दिल्ली सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली केबे? 1929 से 1929 रे बॉम्ब पकैले, 1931 ताको हैंग करा हला। का सहित मिसी की? बातुकेश्वर दत्त। भगत सिंह एंड बातुकेश्वर दत्त। Chandragupta son dash extended the Mauryan empire over the entire subcontinent of India. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य कर पुओ किए? बिंदुसार। सेठी चंद्रगुप्त पड़थिले समुद्रगुप्त, एठी चंद्रगुप्त मौर्यंकर पुओ हला बिंदुसार। Which freedom fighter were hanged for Kakori conspiracy? काकोरी कॉन्स्पिरेंसी केबे हितला? 1925 मसिया रे। काको हैंग करा हितला? रामप्रसाद बिस्मिल, अशफाक खान, ए दि जन को हैंग करा हितला। कोन पय? काकोरी ट्रेन कॉन्स्पिरेंसी 1925 रे हितला। तीनटा को जिंस मन रख, रामप्रसाद बिस्मिल, अशफाक खान। The best example of which script are found in the rock cut edict of Ashoka? Which script? Brahmin. Who was the first and most important king of Rashtrakuta dynasty of Karnataka? फास्ट किंग किए थिले दांती दुर्ग हु डिफीट द चालुक्य ऑफ बादामी तो राष्ट्रकूटर फास्ट आ मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट किंग हेले दांती दुर्ग व्हिच मराठा वॉरियर डाइड इन सक्सेसफुल डिफेंस ऑफ सिन्हागढ़ फोर्ट फाइटिंग एग्नेस्ट मुगल आर्मी किए तांजी मलुसारी the magazine in which Mahatma Gandhi mentioned that he wanted the constitution to do is को मैगजीन ने मेंशन करथिले यंग इंडिया महात्मा गांधी कर नवजीवन भी गोटे मैगजीन हरिजन भी गोटे मैगजीन किंतु से यंग इंडिया रे मेंशन करथिले कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऊपर द बुलंद दरवाजा एट फतेहपुर सिकरी वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय अकबर The second roundtable conference was held in second roundtable conference के बेहितिला 1931 फर्स्ट राउंडटेबल के कॉन्फ्रेंस हेतिला 1930 which fought in Jaipur area of Rajasthan is known for its artistic Hindu style element and is also a World Heritage Site Amber Fort Begum Hazrat Mahal is associated to which of the following revolt of India? Sepoy Mutiny 1857 1857 जो रिवोल्ट होइतिला बेगम हजरत महल कोठी लीड करथिले ना लखनऊ एटा भी क्वेश्चन आछि पृथ्वीराज चौहान was defeated at the hand of dash in battle of तोरणी 1192 बैटल ऑफ तोरणी 1192 पृथ्वीराज चौहान डिफिटेड होते का हाथरू मोहम्मद घोरी आंसर भूल अच्छी मोहम्मद घोरी हो आंसर सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तोरणी 1192 रे पृथ्वीराज चौहान को किए डिफिट करथिला मोहम्मद घोरी एटा को ध्यान दबो मोहम्मद घोरी The All India War Memorial built in memory of the Indian soldier who laid down their life in the First World War is known today as India Gate. जमींदारी सिस्टम was introduced by 1793 किए इंट्रोड्यूस करथिले कॉर्नवालिस ईयर भी मन रखो 1793 Which of following was not a Harappan city मेहरगढ़ लोथाल डोलाभिरा सतकाखो ए तीनटा को हरप्पान सिटी लोथाल डोलाभिरा दुटा गुजरात रे सिचुएटेड सतकाखोटा हला हमरो पाकिस्तान रे सिचुएटेड ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया गोमास्ता कोन ए पेड सर्वेंट टू सर्वाइव वेबर कलेक्ट सप्लाई एंड एग्जामिन द क्वालिटी ऑफ क्लॉथ गुमास्ता ताऊ कहउची The tomb of Shershaह Suri is situated in the tomb of Shershaह Suri Sasaram under which land revenue system the jamidar were given the right to transfer their properties subject to the payment of a fixed amount to the government permanent settlement केबे स्टार्ट हेतिला 1793 रे किए स्टार्ट करथिले लॉर्ड कॉर्नवालिस Who among the following ruler is related to market regulatory measure in medieval India related to market regulatory measure किए अलाउद्दीन खिलजी When did the Quit India movement started केबे हेतिला 1942 Which of following temple is built by Rashtrakuta dynasty कैलाश टेम्पल तो राष्ट्रकूटर फर्स्ट किंग किए पड़थिले एबे दांती दुर्ग Who became the Nawab of Bengal after Alivardi Khan Siraj Uddaula Who was president of Congress during Belgaum Summit of Congress 1924? 1924 मसीहा बेलगाम समिट किए होता प्रेसिडेंट महात्मा गांधी आईएनसी रो. Who among the following is not associated to Mughal Empire? Sher Shah Suri. In which of following is reference of Indian dance form found? Indian dance form found. नाट्य शास्त्र किए लिखिथिले भरत मुनि. एटा भी क्वेश्चन आछी. Which of following is ancient book written by बाणभट्ट? बाणभट्ट कोन कोन लिखिथिले? कादम्बरी गोटे बुक अछि आ गोटे अछि हर्षचरित. ए दुटा लिखिथिले बाणभट्ट. मिर्चकटिकम सुद्रुक, मेघदूतम किए कालिदास, गीत गोविंद जयदेव. इंपोर्टेंट बुक चारटा को इंपोर्टेंट बुक अछि हला. बाणभट्ट लिखिथिले कादम्बरी एंड हर्षचरित. Which of following dynasty was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak? Slave dynasty. Slave dynasty की फाउंड करथिले? Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was fifth Sikh Guru? Fifth Guru in Sikhism. Fifth Sikh Guru किए? गुरु अर्जन देव जी की आदि ग्रंथ लिखिथिले. गुरु अर्जन देव. When did the non-cooperation movement ended? End के भेजिला 1922. स्टार्ट के भेजिला 1920. When was the Mughal Empire during the 1857 revolt in India? Who was Mughal Empire during 1857 revolt? Bahadur Shah II. Where was Guru Nanak Dev born? Guru Nanak कोडी born होइथिले तालावांडी. केबे 1469. 1469. एटा भी मन रखो जदि गुरु नानक देव कोठी born होइछि कोठी born होइथिले पचारछि इयरटा भी पचारि पारे हैला. 1469. Which dynasty had developed the Gandhar school art in ancient India? Gandhar school art किए कुषण डायनास्टी. यांकर गोटे फेमस रूलर थिले कनिष्क. एटा भी क्वेश्चन पचारुछि. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट रूलर ऑफ कुषण डायनास्टी किए कनिष्क. गांधार स्कूल आर्ट कुषण डायनास्टी टाइम रे हितला. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद गुरु? विवेकानंद को गुरु किए रामकृष्ण परमहंस. रामकृष्ण मिशन किए स्टार्ट करथिले? स्वामी विवेकानंद. केबे 1897 मसिया. एटा मन रखि था. रामकृष्ण मिशन किए स्टार्ट करथिले? विवेकानंद 1897 मसिया. तांको गुरु हेले रामकृष्ण परमहंस. Who introduced Charbagh style of architecture in India? Mughal. In which of following peasant uprising Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel took part? बरदुली सत्याग्रह. बरदुली सत्याग्रह केबे हिथिला? 1928 मसिया रे. फार्मर मानको ऊपर 22% जो टैक्स इंक्रीज हेतिला. क्वेश्चन भी पचारि पारे केते परसेंट टैक्स इंक्रीज हेतिला? 22% जो टैक्स इंक्रीज हेतिला ताकू कैंसिल करिया पई बरदुली सत्याग्रह होइतिला. ताकू लीड नेथिले 1928 मसिया रे सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल. तीन चारटा क्वेश्चन एथिर अछि. Who renounced his knighthood against the Jallianwala Bagh atrocity? Rabindranath Tagore. Which of following book is written by Baraha Mihir? Brihat Samhita. Baraha Mihir Brihat Samhita. ए तीनटा भी इंपोर्टेंट बुक अछि. कुमार संभव, शकुंतला, ऋतु संहार तीनटा को लिखिथिले कालिदास. तीनटा को लिखिथिले कालिदास. Who built the Hawa Mahal situated in Jaipur? Hawa Mahal. Swai Pratap Singh. Which of following site is associated to the birth of Gautam Buddha? Lumbini, Nepal. कोठी जन्म होइतिले? लुम्बिनी, नेपाल. केबे 623 BC. इयोटा को भी मन रखो 623 BC. Who was organizer of revolt 1857 in Bihar? 1857 इन बिहार कुनवर सिंह। नाना साहेब जी लीड नहीं कौटी कानपुर रे। मौलावी अहमदुल्ला फैजाबाद। क्वेश्चन पचारुचे गुड़ा सब। Which of following Indian ruler was defeated by Mahmud Ghazni in his first attack in the year केते 1000 AD? महमूद गजनी का को अटैक करथिले? जयपाल। Who attacked सोमनाथ टेम्पल of गुजरात? की अटैक करथिले? महमूद गजनी। दाउजाली हाडिंग the Neolithic site is located in Assam. In which of following period ostrich were found in India? Paleolithic period. Who among the following was called as Ajatasatru by Gandhiji? Ajatasatru by Gandhiji. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who among the following was the greatest ruler of Pratihara dynasty? Mihir Bhoj. The Khurda uprising took place in the year 1817. 1817 मसीह रे हेतिला खुर्दा अपराइजिंग। Who built the Sresh Mahal in Patiala? किए करथिला? महाराज नरेंद्र सिंह। In which year Congress and Muslim League signed the historic Lucknow Pact? केबे हेतिला? 1916। तो कांग्रेस रो प्रेसिडेंट से टाइम रे किए थिले? अंबिका चरण मजुमदार। एटा भी क्वेश्चन रे आछि। 1916 रे किए थिले? अंबिका चरण मजुमदार। पूना पैक्ट 1932 इयरटा को मन रखो हला वाज साइंड बिटवीन बी.आर. आंबेडकर एंड महात्मा गांधी। स्वराज पार्टी वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय सी.आर. दास एंड मोतीलाल नेहरू। In which Congress session was demand for Purno Swaraj adopted? को कांग्रेस सेशन? लाहौर सेशन 1929। तार प्रेसिडेंट थिले जवाहरलाल नेहरू। In which of the following state was Lord Mahavir born? बिहार। केबे? 599 BCE। Who led the civil disobedience movement in India? Mahatma Gandhi. Kandaria Mahadev temple was constructed by Chandela. Moth Ki Masjid was built in the region of Sikandar Lodhi. Indian Statutory Commission 1928 was headed by Sir John Simon. Hind Swaraj was written by Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Which event led to termination of non-cooperation movement, Khilafat movement by Gandhiji? को इंसिडेंट पे हेतला? चोरी चोरा इंसिडेंट। केबे हेतला? 1922 मसिया रे एंड हेतला नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट। एबे क्वेश्चन पचारथिला। द स्प्लिट इन कांग्रेस अकर्ड इन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेशन? कांग्रेस स्प्लिट केबे हेतला? सूरत सेशन 1907। तार प्रेसिडेंट थिले रासो बिहारी घोष। अकबरनामा एंड अन्नी ई अकबरी वाज रिटन बाय अबुल फजल। अकबरनामा की लिखिथिले? अबुल फजल। को लैंग्वेज रे? पारसी। एटा भी क्वेश्चन रे पचारुची। इन व्हिच ईयर वाज बैटल ऑफ सराग्रही फॉट? 1897। 1897 रे एबे उटा पढथिले कोन हेतिला? रामकृष्ण मिशन। In which order were the state annexed by Britisher under doctrine of lapse? Satra, Udaipur, Jhansi। हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड रौतरी सेटलमेंट रौतरी सिस्टम किए इंट्रोड्यूस करथिला अलेक्जेंडर रीड एंड थॉमस मुनरो व्हेन डिड अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट डाई 323 बीसी हु वाज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस सेशन हेल्ड इन कलकत्ता इन केते 1906 रे किए प्रेसिडेंट थिला आईएनसी रो दादा भाई नारोजी 1906 रे हितला स्वदेशी मूवमेंट टाइम रे भी पचारुची किए प्रेसिडेंट थिला आईएनसी रो दादा भाई नारोजी हु among the following Mughal empire was called as दरवेश और जिंदा फकीर का कुआ होची औरंगजेब In which of the following order were the सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय महात्मा गांधी को ऑर्डर अछि फर्स्ट हेतिला चंपारण 1917 खेद हेतिला 1918 रावलट 1919 दांडी मार्च 1930 सीक्वेंस रे मन रखियो पड़िबो इयर जाको 1917 1918 1919 1930 Who was the founder of Hyderabad state? फाउंडर ऑफ हैदराबाद किए निजाम उल मुल्क असफ जा Battle of Plassey was fought between सिराजउद्दौला एंड ब्रिटिश आर्मी केबे हेतिला 1757 Military commanders during the ruler of Mughal were known as फौजदार Which of following newspaper was not launched by Lala Lajpat Rai? यंग इंडिया किए महात्मा गांधी तो लाला लजपत राय न्यूज़पेपर जाक मन रखी द पीपुल रीजेनेटर ऑफ आर्यव्रत दी पंजाबी अंडर व्हिच गवर्नर जनरल डिड ब्रिटिशर अडॉप्ट पॉलिसी ऑफ पारामाउंटेंसी लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग In which year did King George V assume the crown of India? को मसिया रहितला 1911 Who ruled Mysore under subsidiary alliance with the British after the defeat of Tipu Sultan at the Battle of Srirangapatnam? Odears. Who became the Nawab of Bengal after the defeat of Alivardi Khan 1756 सिराजउद्दौला Who discovered a sea route to India in 1498 Vasco da Gama योरटा भी पचारची 1498 Representative of Maratha Empire and British East India Company signed the Treaty of Salbai in which year? Treaty of Salbai 1782 एटा को बैटल ट्रीटी हेतिला फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ एंग्लो मराठा व्हिच गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया 1772 इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कोर्ट इन ईच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ए क्रिमिनल कोर्ट फौजदारी अदालत एंड ए सिविल कोर्ट दीवानी अदालत को गवर्नर जनरल वारेन हास्टिंग 1772 Who was the founder of सत्य शोधक समाज in 19th century? सत्य शोधक समाज किए ज्योतिबा फुले During whose region the Moroccan traveler Ibn Battuta visit India in 14th century? का टाइम रास्ते मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक The Governor General of India was given the title of Viceroy for the first time. भाइसरॉय गवर्नर जनरल टा भाइसरॉय केबे हेले 1858 फर्स्ट भाइसरॉय किए लॉर्ड कैनिंग नेम द फेमस इंडियन पेंटर हु वाज ऑनर्ड विथ केसरी-i-हिंद गोल्ड मेडल बाय द ब्रिटिश भाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया लॉर्ड कर्जन किए पेंटर राजा रवि वर्मा Which Indian personality was given knighthood by British monarch but he returned it after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? किए रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Which king inscribed the Hathigumpha elephant cave inscription? Hathigumpha inscription in Udayagiri Hill, Odisha. King Kharavela. In which state is the archaeological site of Surkotada situated? Kodachi, Gujarat. Which of the following Governor General introduced a code which provided for the separation of revenue administration from judicial administration? Co-Governor General Lord Cornwallis. The Dash era is also known as Age of Mammals, Cenozoic. A pillar containing inscription from the three different periods, that is Mauryan period, Gupta period and Mughal period, is located at Allahabad, Prayagraj. Tolkappiyar is a famous ancient grammarian of the Dash language, Tamil language. In the context of state and administration in Delhi Sultan, the term Mukti means the holder of a land assignment called Ikta. The birthplace of Subhash Chandra Bose, Kotak. The famous physician Jibok was appointed by the court of Bimbisara. During the freedom struggle, who was only president of Indian National Congress who resigned from presidency even after being elected? Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year the Battle of Buxar fought? 1764. In which province of Pakistan is the site of ancient civilization of Mohenjo-daro located? Mohenjo-daro located Sindh. Which British Viceroy of India was associated with Ilbert Bill enacted in 1884? Co-Viceroy Lord Ripon. Fatwa-e-Alamgiri, a digest of museum law, was written during the period of which of the following king? Aurangzeb. Who among the following British Prime Minister had announced the communal award in 1932 during India's freedom movement? James Ramsay MacDonald. Name the Sikh Guru who developed the Gurumukhi script for writing the Punjabi language. Gurumukhi script किए Guru Angad, ये है second Sikh Guru. Which leader of India's freedom movement was called Grand Old Man of India? काहु को होची दादा भाई नारोजी. In the context of medieval Sufi tradition, the term Wali meant. Wali कहले saint. The famous Irwin Declaration on 31st October 1929 promised a dominion status for India. Who among following was a Gupta ruler? यांको भितर गुप्त रूलर किए विक्रमादित्य. चंद्रगुप्त टू ताऊ कौन कह होची विक्रमादित्य. Amar Sonar Bangla, the national anthem of Bangladesh, was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Name the queen associated with Maheshwari Sari. Oholyabai Holkar. During 1857 uprising, who among the following took of the leadership at Faizabad? A question हमें डिस्कशन करथिले पूर्वरु. मौलवी अहमदुल्लाह. The abolition of diarchy in province was recommended by the Government of India Act 1935. Abolish हेतला केबे इंट्रोड्यूस हेतला 1919 रे. The third roundtable conference was held in the year 1932. Third roundtable conference first आइतला 1930, second आइतला 1931, third आइतला 1932. In which novel did National Song of India feature? Ananda Matho. In which city was the third Buddhist council held? Third Buddhist council कोठी हेतला पाटलिपुत्र. Who was founder of Sunga dynasty? Pushyamitra Sunga. Abul Fazl, a scholar during medieval period in India, was in the court of Akbar, जे कि अकबरनामा लिखिथिला. Who among the following is credited with translation the Upanishad from Sanskrit to Persian? किए दारा सिखोन. The ancient Indian text Rajtarangini is a composition by Kalahana. In the context of Mughal administration, the term Jabat refer to the dash system, revenue system, Jabat system. Who among the following personalities who was not associated with Prathana Samaj? प्रार्थना समाज सहित एसोसिएटेड क्यों नुह? ईश्वर चंद्र विद्यासागर, आरजी भंडारकर, एमजी रानाड, आत्माराम पांडुराम. एटा भी क्वेश्चन पचार जी किए फाउंड करथिला प्रार्थना समाज? आत्माराम पांडुराम. During the early year of his reign, Akbar rule was actually run by his regent named Bairam Khan. The Governor General Canning decided that Dash would be the last Mughal king. Last Mughal king के बहादुर शाह जाफर. And after his death, none his descendant would be recognized as king. तो last Mughal king के बहादुर शाह जाफर. Dash fought against King Han Hoti, who was king of Han dynasty of China, and defeated him in second attempt. ये कनिष्क. Who among the following was the court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan? Chand Bardai. The Mughal Emperor Babur wrote his autobiography in which of the following language? तो बाबर नामा को लैंग्वेज लिखा हैला? तुर्किश. जदि अकबर नाम पचारिबो पारसी. Which among the following dynasty did not rule the Magadha Empire? एक भितर किए नुह? गुप्त. Who among the following was the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir when India gained independence? किए ruler थिला? हरि सिंह. The popular rock cut sculpture The Descent of Ganga is found in which of following place of India? Mahabalipuram. In which of following year did Indian National Congress split at Surat and cause the session to break up? 1907. Surat split केबे? 1907. During region of Kanishka, which of following place was chosen as venue of fourth Buddhist council? कोठी थिला? Kashmir. Amukta Malyada, one of the work of Krishna Dev Rai, was written in Telugu. To whom did Rabindranath Tagore dedicate his collection of essay in science Bishop Parichaya? काहाकू डेडिकेटेड करथिले? प्रोफेसर सत्येंद्रनाथ बोस. The Safavid dynasty ruled from modern day Iran. The Haripura session of Indian National Congress was presided over by Subhash Chandra Bose. Haripura session केबे हितला? 1938. The famous traveler Durate Barbosa was from कोड आस्थिले? पोर्तुगाल ये का टाइम रे आस्थिले कृष्ण देव राय द नेम ऑफ द एल्डेस्ट सन ऑफ शाहजहां एल्डेस्ट सन किए दारा सुको व्हिच ऑफ फॉलोइंग साइट वाज द फर्स्ट टू डिस्कवर्ड फर्स्ट किए डिस्कवर्ड होइतला हरप्पा द एडी एनो डोमिनी era is also called CE what is the full form of CE common era तो बैटल ऑफ कर्नल इन 1739 याकू मन रखो बैटल ऑफ कर्नल 1739 वाज फॉट बिटवीन नादिर शाह एंड मोहम्मद शाह शाह ब्रदर्स हु लेड द सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह प्रोटेस्ट इन तमिलनाडु राजगोपालाचारी which dynasty built the Khajuraho temple complex Chandela who was the governor general of India during first Anglo-Sikh war time रे की थिले लॉर्ड हेडिंग Queen Nike Devi is remembered as the woman who defeated काकू डिफीट करथिले मोहम्मद घुरी केते 1178 मसिया सेति पेनाको रिमेंबर कराइछ स्वदेशी मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड इन इंडिया ड्यूरिंग एंटी बंगाल पार्टीशन एजिटेशन द बैटल ऑफ चौसा वाज फॉट बिटवीन हुमायून एंड शेर शाह सूरी 26 जून इन द ईयर केते 1539 What was the paternal name of Swami Dayananda Saraswati ताको ना कोन थिला मूला शंकर मूल शंकर एडा पे हाई कोर्ट एसर रिसेंट क्वेश्चन पचरा है हैला मूल शंकर द खिलजी और खिलजी डायनेस्टी फाउंडेड बाय जलालुद्दीन फिरोजी खिलजी रूल्ड लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट बिटवीन को ईयर भितर से तांकर रूल चले थिले 1290 रु 1320 Megasthenes, a Greek historian, visited India in the region of dash 4th century BC. का टाइम रास्तिले चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. The monument of Khajuraho in the state of Madhya Pradesh are fine denotation of the dash dynasty. Khajuraho temple किए करथिला चांडेला डायनेस्टी टाइम रे हेथिला जोड़ के आउट पचार खंडारिया महादेव टेम्पल द डाश इज an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft economic policy military strategy that was written in Sanskrit Kautilya is traditionally credited as the author of the text Kautilya कोडा लिखिथिले अर्थशास्त्र The city of Victory, Fatehpur Sikri in Dash was built during the glorious region of the Mughal. Agra, कोठी situated Agra. किए करथिला अकबर. Where was the first headquarter of Arya Samaj? कोठी लाहौर. किए करथिला स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. Dash a Moroccan traveler who is known his extensive travel came to India during the regime of Muhammad bin Tughlaq किए आस्थिले मोरक्को रु इब्न बतूता एटा क्वेश्चन पचरा हितला उथरे The Mahabodhi temple in Dash is the pilgrimage site of Buddhist कोठी अछि बिहार Akbar commissioned Dash to chronicle the story of his father Humayun. Humayun नामा किए लिखिथिला गुलबदन बेगम. Post the Anglo-Mysore War, whom did East India Company appoint as governor of Bengal? First governor of Bengal का को appoint करा हितला यार आंसर हबो रॉबर्ट क्लाइव. Kalahana penned the book name Dash in 12th century, which is a metrical historical chronicle of King Kashmir. कौन लिखिथिले राजतरंगिणी। द गुरुमुखी स्क्रिप्ट वाज created in 16th century CE by second Sikh Guru किए गुरु अंगद। सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ तोरणी वाज फॉट इन द ईयर केबे हितला 1192। फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तोरणी ता हितला 1191, सेकंड हितला 1192। हु स्टार्टेड द एशियाटिक सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल इन 1784। एशियाटिक सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल किए विलियम जोन्स स्टार्ट करथिले। बाणभट्ट वाज द कोर्ट पोएट ऑफ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडियन किंग। हर्षवर्धन। बाणभट्ट दीटा बही लिखिथिले तांको ना एबे डिस्कशन करथिले। से बही दीटा ना हला कादंबरी, हर्षचरित। इंपोर्टेंट दीटा को बही अछि। द डैश इज जैन टेक्स्ट containing biography of Jaina Tirthankar, most notable Prasabnath and Mahavira. Kalpa Sutra. The fifth Sikh Guru compiled Adi Grantha, the first official edition of Sikh scripture. किए लिखिथिले आदि ग्रंथ? गुरु अर्जन देव, फिफ्थ सिख गुरु। याकु भी मन रख। Which ruler constructed the highest and biggest gateway of victory बुलंद दरवाजा? किए कंस्ट्रक्शन करथिले? अकबर। बारंबार क्वेश्चन पचारुछु। सिपोई म्यूटिनी of 1857 took place when Dash was the governor general of India. से टाइम रे किए गवर्नर जनरल थिले? लॉर्ड कैनिंग। गुरु गोविंद सिंह was the Dash Sikh Guru, 10th Sikh Guru. Dash is an epic poem by Ashok Ghosh which narrates the life of Buddha from his birth till the time he attained nirvana. अशोक घोष कौन लिखिथिले? बुद्ध चरित। Dash wrote the epic Ramacharit Manas? तुलसीदास। What is Vedic name of river Ravi? Parusuni. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as Amritsar massacre, took place on Dash in Jallianwala Bagh. केबे हितला? 13 April 1919. The Kama Sutra was originally compiled in the 3rd century by Indian sage Dash who lived in northern India. Kama Sutra के लिखिथिले? भस्सायन। Mohandas Gandhi was awarded Kesari-i-Hind Award in 1915 by का द्वारा दिया हितला of Penshurst for his contribution to ambulance service in South Africa. का द्वारा दिया हितला? लॉर्ड हेडिंग। Ilbert Bill which was introduced by Dash is a controversial measure proposed in 1883. का द्वारा दिया हितला? लॉर्ड रिफोन। The Battle of Plassey was fought on Dash between Siraj-ud-Dowla and British East India Company. केबे हितला? 23rd June 1757. Battle of Plassey. Aurobindo Ghosh was born in Calcutta on केबे born हितले? 15th August 1872. The firing order issued by Dash on gathering of people on Boisakhi Day 1931 became a turning point in India's freedom struggle. किए फायरिंग ऑर्डर देथिला? जनरल डायर। Dash is an ancient Sanskrit text on medicine and surgery. सुश्रुत संहिता। भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव were hanged in the year. केबे हैंग करा हितला? 1931. The daughter of Morpant Tambe and Bhagirathi Sapre became famous as एंकर डॉटर किए? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। यार आंसर कौन हम? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। द सत्यशोधक समाज वाज फाउंडेड बाय ज्योतिबा फुले। सेंट कबीर गॉट हिज स्पिरिचुअल ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम ए गुरु नेम्ड, ताको ना कौन थिला? रामानंद। द पीकॉक थ्रोन वाज कमिशन्ड बाय शाहजहान। मणिकर्णिका तांबे इज बेटर नोन इन हिस्ट्री एज रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। डैश created a new system of musicology called इंद्रप्रस्थ माता और चतुर्दांडी संप्रदाय। किए क्रिएट करथिले? अमीर खुसरो। छत्रपति शिवाजी एंड सोयरबाई नेम्ड देयर सन, ताको पुअर ना कौन थिला? राजाराम। यार आंसर हबो राजाराम। द चिपको मोमेंट इज एसोसिएटेड विथ प्रिवेंटिंग द फेलिंग ऑफ ट्री। केबे स्टार्ट होइथिला? 1973 चिपको मोमेंट। गुरु डैश इज नोन एज कोबलर सेंट रविदास। Who started the temple entry movement in 1927? Bhimrao Ambedkar. Who said the following word? A flag is a necessity for all nations. Millions have died for it. किए कहिथिले ए वार्डटा? महात्मा गांधी। The first invention of Muhammad Ghori was in dash when he attacked Multan. केते 1175 AD. Shivaji son from Saibai was named Sambhaji. Calcutta became the capital of British India in 1772. Who founded the Servant of Indian Society? 1905 रे किए करथिला? गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। In pre-independent India, the British moved capital of India from Calcutta to Delhi in केबे? 1911। The Nehru Liaquat Pact was signed in 1950। Mangal Pandey was hanged in 1857 for attacking the British officer in कोठी अटैक करथिले? बाराकपुर। यार आंसर हबो बाराकपुर। The dash period has been described as golden age of Indian history. Gupta period. Kanishka was a king dash king. Kushana king. Sardesh Mukhi in the Maratha regime was a tax levied on revenue. Devanagari evolved from the dash script, Brahmin script. The Mughal Empire reached its greatest extent under Aurangzeb. Dash founded the Bal Charkha Sangha, where children were taught to spin and weave. किए करथिले? इंदिरा गांधी। Dash was born to Chauhan king Someshwara and his queen Karpuri Devi in 1166 CE. काकू born करथिले? पृथ्वीराज चौहान। Dash was a professor of political science and economics at the University of Taxila, Kautilya. Which of following was not a part of Navaratna at Vikramaditya court? Surdas. The ancient name of the river Tungabhadra, Pampa. Prince Khurram grew up to be known as Prince Khurram, known as Shahjahan. Your answer hobo Shahjahan. Dash was affectionately called Ba. Kasturba Gandhi. Vedic civilization flourished along the river Saraswati. Answer hobo yar Saraswati. The last Nizam of Hyderabad, Mir Osman Ali Khan. The only lady who has ruled Delhi as a Sultan, Razia Sultan, belong to which dynasty? Mamluk dynasty. Important question. Which Governor General was credited with initiation of policy of para-mutancy? किए करथिले लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग. Shatra got annexed to East India Company by applying which policy? Doctrine of lapse. In which state Bhimbetka cave, which is famous for prehistoric rock painting? Madhya Pradesh. Vedic religion was also known as Brahminism. Name the period in which the slave dynasty existed in India. Slave dynasty केते केते रूल करथिला 1206 रु 1290. Name the new kind of painting that was developed in East India, Bengal, Bihar, Odisha during the Pala Kingdom 19th-10th century AD. Pala Kingdom time रे को पेंटिंग हेतिला miniature painting. In which language was Tauric written? Persian. Which year witnessed the rise of Rashtrakuta dynasty that ruled the Deccan and surrounding area? AD 753. Apart from Mahatma Gandhi, who was the other prominent personality to protest against untouchability in India? Mahatma Gandhi, Bhimrao Ambedkar. दुई जन अपार्ट फ्रॉम महात्मा गांधी तापर किए भीमराव अंबेडकर. हु वन द फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तोरणी? फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तोरणी किए जीती? पृथ्वीराज चौहान. सेकंड बैटल ऑफ तोरणी किए जीती? मोहम्मद घोरी. अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट इन्वेंटेड इंडिया इन द ईयर 326 BC. The Dash were the first European to come to India. First European किए आस्थिले? Portuguese. Who is the very first Mughal emperor? Babur. During Mughal period, rank and salary were determined by numerical value called Jat. During Mughal period, a royal edict or order was known by what name? Farman. In which year was the Battle of Buxar fought? केबे हेतिला? 1764. Who became first Governor General of India in 1773? किए first Governor General? Warren Hastings. In which year did British Parliament pass a new act that transferred power of East India Company to British Crown? केबे हेतिला? 1858. Who played a pivotal role in the establishment of Prathana Samaj? Atmaram Pandurang. Who is popularly known as harbinger of modern India? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Where was the second Buddhist council held? Second Buddhist council, Boisali. First ruler of Nanda dynasty was Mahapadmananda. Ashoka tried to hold his empire together by propagating Dhamma. In which year was Tantia Tope killed? Kebe 1859. Who attacked and looted the famous Somnath temple 1026 AD? Ki attack करथिला? Mahmud of Ghazni. Which of following place was ruled by the Wadiyar dynasty? Mysore. Which queen died fighting Mughal army while defending Graha Katanga in 1564? Queen को ना कौन? रानी दुर्गावती. The Indian National Association was established in 1876 by Anand Mohan Bose. Indian National Association. How many great power Mahajanpad existed in 7th and early 6th century BC? Ketra achi? During the time of Lord Gautam Buddha? 16. Who was the founder of Chalukya dynasty? Founder of Chalukya dynasty, Pulakesini I. Name the state Chandragupta I got in dowry from the Lichavi. Pataliputra. The period between dash in Indian history is known as Delhi Sultan period. 1206 रु 1526. 1526 पर स्टार्ट होची मुगल एम्पायर. Mihir Bhoj was the ruler of Prathihar. Who is the author of the book Rajtarangini? Kalhana. Bikramshila University was founded by Dash Pala King. Dharmapala. Dash was the first Muslim ruler whose empire covered almost the whole India up to extreme south. Alauddin Khilji. The Badami Chalukya first had their capital at Dash before they moved it to Badami. Eholi. Which was the first Muslim dynasty that ruled India? Slave dynasty. Who among the following was slave Muhammad Ghuri? He became the ruler after the death of his master and founded the slave dynasty. Slave dynasty founder किए कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. Who among the following was one of the governor during the reign of Alauddin Khilji? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who founded said dynasty? Khizr Khan. Dash was the first and only Muslim woman to ever sit on the throne of Delhi. Rajia Begum or Rajia Sultan. Who amongst the following succeeded the Mughal throne in the year 1556? 1556 मसीह किए मुगल थ्रोन करथिला? अकबर. The leader of Bhakti movement focusing on Lord Rama was Ramananda. The term Jat and Saur are related to which of the following administrative system? Mansabdari system. Dash was the first Mughal emperor in India. किए? बाबर. यार आंसर होबो बाबर. The leading light of Ramakot was saint poet Dash who also wrote the poem Ramacharitmanas. किए लिखिथिले? तुलसीदास. Akbar was succeeded by his son Salim, Who took the title of dash meaning conqueror of the world? किए पाइथिला टाइटल टा जहांगीर. The Victoria Memorial, conceived by Lord Curzon, represent the architectural climax of dash city, Kolkata. Which Indian monument was built by Maharaja Swai Pratap Singh in the year 1799? Hawa Mahal. The Red Fort and Jama Masjid in Delhi stand out as towering achievement of architecture during the region of Red Fort and Jama Masjid. का टाइम रही थिला शाहजहां. Humayun Hayar Akbar was born in exile and was only 13-year-old when his father died. 13 ବର୍ଷ ବୟସରେ ये शासन करथिले कि अकबर. Who was fifth of the 10 Sikh Guru? 5 नंबर सिख गुरु किए? गुरु अर्जन देव. The Qutub Minar was named after the Sufi saint Khawaj Qutbuddin Bhaktiyar Kaki. The Suri king was defeated by Humayun to regain his kingdom. Answer हबो सिकंदर सूरी. जदि पचार था किए डिफिट करची हुमायून को किए डिफिट करची ताहले शेर शाह सूरी. डिफिटेड बाय हुमायून सिकंदर सूरी. Dash is famous for outstanding specimen of Buddhist art and architecture belonging to the period between 3rd century BC and 12th century AD. Answer हबो सांची. Dash built the world famous Harmandir Sahib, popularly known as the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Guru Arjan Dev. During whose region did Chinese traveler Huansang visit India? Harshavardhana. One of the prominent Buddhist structure in India, Dash Stupa at Sarnath. Dhamek Stupa constructed by great Mauryan king Ashoka. Sarnath रे कोड अछि Dhamek Stupa. Safdarjung tomb set in the middle of a garden was built by Nawab Shuja'ud-Dawla in Delhi. Dash died in 1605, nearly 50 years after his ascension to throne. He was buried outside of Agra at Sikandara. Answer hobo Akbar. Dash has been called the architect king, as during his reign the world witnessed a unique development of art and culture of Mughal Empire. का कहूची शाहजहां. It was under the region of Dash that the Mughal Empire reached its peak in matter of area. Aurangzeb. Mahatma Gandhi formed the Natal Indian Congress in the year 1894. The first Anglo-Burmese war ended with the signing of को ट्रीटी द्वारा साइन होता ट्रीटी ऑफ यान्दबो. The Bangladesh Liberation War ended 16th December 1971. As a reaction to Rowlatt Act, Dash was organized as National Humiliation Day, 6th April 1919. The Khilafat movement of 1920 was organized as a protest against the injustice done to Turkey. The Sepoy Mutiny in India started from Meerut. In which year the East India Company incorporated for the explosion of a trade with East India and Southeast Asia and India. East and Southeast Asia and India. को मसीह रही 1600. In which year did Vasco da Gama landed in Calicut? को मसीह रे लैंड करथिले 1498. Which of following was the port city of Indus Valley civilization? Lothal. The former princely state of Tripura in northeastern part of India was ruled by Maningya dynasty. Dash assumed the title of Gangai Konda Cholo or conqueror of the river Ganga. काकू टाइटल दिया है राजेंद्र चोल वन. In which year was the Battle of Goa fought? 1510. Dash is well known for the golden beautification of Harmandir Sahib Gurudwara in Amritsar, famously known as Golden Temple. Ranjit Singh. In the year dash, the Maratha emperor ceased to exist with surrender of the Maratha to British, ended the Third Anglo-Maratha War. केबे हितला 1818. During World War II, the Battle of Kohima and Imphal were fought in the year 1944. Mitra Mela was a revolutionary organization founded by Veer Savarkar in the year 1900. Your answer hobo 1900. Who among the following was given the title Quaid-e-Azam? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Sir Thomas Roe visited the court of Mughal ruler. का टाइम रे थॉमस रो आस्थिले? जहांगीर. आंसर होबो जहांगीर. Tipu Sultan and British East India Company signed the Treaty of Mangalore in the year 1784. When was Battle of Tukaroi fought? 1575. When was Battle of Kaunos fought? 1540. The Aligarh movement was started by Syed Ahmad Khan. Which of following Indian was one of the founder of Dartington Hall School in Japan? Rabindranath Tagore. Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose founded Dash in Bengal 1876 Indian Association. In which year was the Battle of Saragrahi fought? 1897. Which state of India was ruled by Ahom dynasty? Assam. Who among the following was the last Nawab of Awadh? Wajid Ali Shah. The East India Company sent Captain William Hawkins to the court of Emperor Das 1608 to seek permission to open a factory at Surat. William Hawkins को कोठी पठाइथिला जहांगीर पाक्कू. The movement of local farmer Bordoli in Gujarat against the British in 1928 was led by Bordoli सत्याग्रह की लीड करथिला वल्लभ भाई पटेल. The instrument of surrender which ended the Portuguese rule in India was signed on 19th December 1961. In 19th century, the Satnami movement in central India was founded by Guru Ghasidas. The Mughal emperor dash adopted the title of Alamgiri, Aurangzeb. The famous Khajuraho group of monument was constructed by Chandala. Who among the following leader was not a founding member of Hindustan Socialist Republic Army? फाउंडिंग मेंबर किए नुह बदरुद्दीन तायब जी. Which of following text give a detailed account of King of Kashmir? राज तरंगिणी किए लिखिथिले कालाहना. The Samokhya school of philosophy was founded by Kapila. Who among the following was known as Devanama Priya? Asoko. Bhagat Singh Sukhdev Rajguru was executed on 23rd March 1931. In 1872, Lord Mayo, the Viceroy of India, was assassinated in Port Blair. In which year was Satya Sodak Samaj founded by Jyotirao Phule? 1873 रहीथिला. Which emperor army did Maharana Pratap fight in the Battle of Haldighati? Akbar. In the famous Rohilla War in 1774, the Rohilla were defeated by the Nawab of Awadh named Sujja Udullah. Who among the following was killed by Chhatrapati Shivaji in the Battle of Pratapgarh? Afzal Khan. In which state are the Dilwara Jain temple situated? Kodachi, Rajasthan. Srirangapatnam fort is located in Karnataka. In which year the non-cooperation movement launched? केबे हेतिला 1920. Konark temple in Odisha was built by which of the following king? Narasimha Deva I. Alexander invaded India 326 BC. Which Sikh Guru established the Khalsa Panth? Sikh Guru? Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Who was founder of Prathana Samaj? Atmaram Pandurang. Who said freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? किए कोई दिले? बाल गंगाधर तिलक. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place during the term of Viceroy का टाइम रहीथिला Lord Chelmsford. Who formed the Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume. Which session of Congress gave a call to attend of Swaraj? Attainment of Swaraj 1906. Jatak tales are related to Buddhism.